I would like to tell you about my daily activity. I'm student of KC Mahaesa Institute. I stay in Zilbois 2 at Astor Street. In the morning, I get up at 4 o'clock. After that, because I stay in camp, usually we study together after praying until 6:30, and we study about grammar and speaking in camp. And then after camp program finish, I take a bath at 6 o'clock, and then because I student of KSM Mahaesa Institute, I have 4 class in a day. The first class began at 7 o'clock. I prepare myself to go to Mahaesa around 7:30 because I waiting my friend usually. His name is Rafis. He always late come to class. I'm sorry. And then the first class is about grammar, and then the second class is study club speaking. And then after second class finish, we go together for have brunch because in the morning we don't have much time to breakfast. We usually go to Lazada because in Lazada the food is very delicious and the price is good for us as a student. And then after we brunch together, we back to our camp for me and my friend back to boarding house. And then the third class will begin at 1 o'clock until the fourth class will finish at 4 o'clock. Usually I take a nap after brunch, and then back to Mahaesa at 1 o'clock to follow Miss Dewi class. The class is main class, speaking class. After fourth class finish, I back to camp. Usually I have sport in Kediri Stadium because when I have good healthy, it support my daily activity to keep strong and healthy. And then after finish sport at Kediri Stadium, I back to camp at 6 o'clock, maybe 6 o'clock, and I pray Maghrib prayer in the camp. And after that, in our camp has camp program after Maghrib. The program about speaking. If in the morning about speaking and grammar, in the afternoon the class about speaking only until 8:30. And I usually brush up lesson from Mahaesa because some of lesson is difficult for me, especially in grammar. I must remember the formula and the other thing that I must to memorize. Thank you. That's all my daily activity. Thank you very much.